Hello everyone, today we have a 2023 LEGO C set in front of us. So this is the ice cream shop, one of the main reasons I bought the accessory for this polar bear costume minifigure. And today we're going to open this up, build it, and then take a detailed look at the cool parts of this set. And before I get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. And here we go, let's get started by opening this up. Finally, we have finished building the ice cream shop. This is actually quite a nice surprise. The ice cream shop itself have a proper roof rather than similar to the grocery stores last year where you've got an excellent exterior, but then you're kind of missing huge part of the roof. Even though the build itself is open back for easy access, this really tempted me to buy an extra one to kind of close this off. We'll come back to the minifigures and the side views later on. We'll now focus on the details of the ice cream shop. The exterior looks really nice. It's kind of similar to the grocery store. In fact, it's actually the same design and same technique to build that. The only thing different is the windows using a different transparent color, but I like this blue very much. Outside there's a table and two chairs for the customer to have their ice cream and drinks outside. This side got two flowers, and they also include a red little bird. What I like about the exterior is the sign of the shops. You've got the ice cream cone with free scoops because it's under the summer sun. The ice cream start to melt and have this dripping effects to create the entrance, and this is just looks so cool. And on the entrance you do have one sticker for the open sign. Towards the back there lots of space, that's why they keep this set kind of small, not the actual size of the shop, but there are lots of details left for your own imagination for the interior details. You got plenty of space for the staff to walk around, get their ice cream. There's also one plant just next to the entrance. Here are the other little builds that you get to build in this set. So I really love the sign of the shop. It's not just the logo, or this is a sticker here, but also the way that they create arrows pointing customers to the shops. And you also got the menu, just kind of show customer what are the flavors and what kind of drinks available. And here we've got a bike, which is for one of the customer, which we're gonna look at the minifigures right after this, for him to kind of provide transport for his son. And he had a 3 minifigures including this set. So we have two customers based on the box art. This is the dad, the face, the torso, both new, which I like very much. I always like to get new minifigures parts. The son here though just reusing existing parts, and I think he has an alternate facial expression, which is rather than surprise but more like a happier face. And then on here is the main attraction. To me, this is the sole reason I want to buy this set, because of the polar bear costume minifigure. So underneath is actually a lady. She has alternate facial expression like this. So it's a very common minifigure face. And then you've got the costume here. It's just the bear head, which is a polar bear, and you've got a printing of the shop logo on her torso. This is an excellent minifigure which I like very much. And this is the 2023 Lego City Ice Cream Shop. I really like this set. I think it looks excellent. So even though it's an open back design, it doesn't look worse in terms of a shelf display or just a desktop display. One of the coolest thing of the build is this dripping effect, and with 3 excellent minifigures. At $64 this set is not cheap, but don't worry because there are lots of shops that selling this with at least 15 to 20% discount. And if you get a very good deal, I do recommend you get this set, not just because it looks good and it has some interesting building experience, but also if you're into minifigures, you will definitely love this polar bear costume minifigure. Do let me know what you think about this set in the comment section below. If you like this video, be sure to check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming updates, and I'll see you next time.